Hello, I'm Keegan with Kunes RV, and today we are going to be going over the leveling system of this unit. In this specific unit, there's going to be the BAL leveling system, and that panel is going to be located right inside the compartment here. They do put them in other places as well, but generally it's in the front compartment of the unit. So in this case, they do give you instructions on how everything works with their system, and it's just a quick reference guide on how that all works. Otherwise, the panel is actually going to be located right here. So once that is turned on, it'll give you a couple different things on this menu. One is going to be your battery voltage, indicating to you that you have a fully charged battery. Anytime you are using a leveling system, slide rooms, whatever it is recommended that you have a battery on the unit, not just using your shore power. But otherwise, right up top here, you're going to have an auto mode. And what this is going to do is it's going to auto level the unit once you would hit OK. And that will allow it to level the unit out completely using your actual jacks and allowing you to have a completely level unit. Other than that, if we hit the home screen, that'll also bring you back, give you a couple other options. One would be manual mode, and that will allow you to manually level the unit if you were in a case where you had a very unlevel site, something like that, that you might want to actually use the jacks specifically to the front and the back. And then you also have the landing gear mode. This is just going to control your front jacks. This will not do anything with the rear. This will be for when you are hooking up to the trailer with your truck and allowing you to just run the front jacks, nothing else in the rear. So the auto reconnect feature that is in the auto screen is going to allow you to get your unit to go back to where it was before you hit auto level. This is going to be for when you're connecting to your vehicle when you're leaving the site. Wherever you were when you hit the auto level feature, it will now bring it, when you hit the auto reconnect, back to where it was when you hit that, which is generally going to be where you were when you disconnected from your vehicle. So in the BAL system, they do make it so that way you can manually retract your leveling system very easily. In the front compartment, there's going to be a crank, which will end up going right onto this piece right here. So once that is stuck onto there, that will crank in or out depending on how you want to go up or down with your jacks. In this system, they do have another one on the other side in the exact same spot, so that way you can do that leg separately. So if you needed to go up and down with both, you'll have to go back and forth to crank those up and down. This is going to be the handle that you will use to bring those jacks up. It's basically going to have a round piece right on here with some spots on the side. For when you slide that in, it can really only go on one way. And then once that is on, again, you'll just crank that up or down depending on how you need your jacks to go. On the rear jacks, there's going to be a rubber boot right there. That will pull out of there, and you'll be able to put a socket on a drill and run that up or down so you can bring the rear jacks up manually. So this is going to be for when you are retracting your jacks when you are connected to your truck. When the truck is fully connected and you now put all the pressure onto the vehicle, you will now pull this lever here and bring this pad up completely. That will make it so that way you don't hit anything when you are going in and out of parking lots or anything like that.